Welcome back, everyone. All right, so let's go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete this because we're not going to be using them quite yet. But what I'll do is let's add in another kind of variable. And this one's called a string variable, and you've heard me talk about string here. And I'm going to call this your name, okay? And you notice how I did this? I didn't capitalize the first word, but I capitalized the second word. And the reason for this is that your name technically looks nice, but this looks nicer, all right? Now, you can go ahead and there's something that I didn't talk about in the last tutorial, in that you can technically have a variable and not initialize it. So you can have int a, and it doesn't have to be equal to 3. It could just be int a. In this case, it's equal to 0. But in this case, we'll make it equal to 3. Okay? And we'll go to string your name, and right now it's nothing. And remember, strings are characters, so you can type in whatever you want here. So I'm just going to type in my name. There we go. Put a semicolon here. You got to run that to see if it works, and everything works. But we didn't put your name into the computer yet. So if we go ahead and delete B, we can go ahead and type in your name. Now, we go ahead and run this here, and you can see that it now works. So you can put in your variable name. It could be an int, or it could be, a string or whatever. Okay? So let's just go ahead and if you see that string your name, one thing that you can't do is you can't do b plus your name. Watch what happens. Error, pretty big error. And one thing you also can't do is you can't go your name. And remember, it's case sensitive. All right? And so you can see I didn't capitalize it, and there we go. There we go. Okay? And so that is essentially how you add in a string. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.